Hello everyone, I'm Nidia Martinez. Today I'm going to talking about importance of hope. Hope, talking about hope is one of the things more real people feel during their life. Hope is an incredible strength and protective factor in our lives. Hope reduces feelings of helplessness, increase happiness, reduce stress, and improve our quality of life. You may hear that people talk about holding on to hope, and that can mean different things for each everyone else. Also, hope is an opportunity that people have for making a dream reality. People with high level of hope throughout their life have better physical health behaviors, better social supports, and live longer. It also can lead to fewer chronic health problems, less depression, and less anxiety. Those with consistently high levels of hope are more productive at work, handle stress better, and tolerate pain and adversity better than their less hopeful peers. Keep in mind once again that hope doesn't mean a blind optimist. The takeaway then for educators, mentors, family members, and anyone else helping prepare the next generation of workers for career and life success is to work your best to still a sense of hope and that next generation, especially in these very uncertain times. It is not something that comes naturally to everyone, but it's something that can be cultivated and worked on, and something we are going to be focusing on the entire month of April as we hear up that what might be the most challenging school year students and educators have faced in the last times. Thanks for watching. I'm Nidia Martinez.